Germany is redefining manufacturing with factories designed to operate without human workers.
Inside, machines handle every task with precision and consistency. Production begins with fully automated material handling. Machines communicate directly, eliminating the need for manual coordination.
Every operation follows digitally defined parameters.
Tool changes happen automatically to maintain continuous production. Checks are built directly into the production flow.
Only verified parts move forward. The entire factory is monitored digitally from a central system. Assembly is handled with the same level of automation. Fastening operations are controlled digitally to ensure uniform force. Lubrication is applied in exact quantities to reduce wear. Each unit is tested before advancing further.
Even minor vibration is detected and measured.
Units that fail inspection are removed automatically.
Data is constantly analyzed to maintain consistency.
Calibration ensures precise operation.
Before packaging, each unit is carefully cleaned.
Finished components move directly to packaging. Every product is tracked from start to finish. Packaging is handled entirely by machines to avoid manual variation. Each package is labeled for full traceability.
Robotic palletizing ensures consistent load distribution.
Logistics planning is digitally optimized.
Energy usage is continuously monitored to maintain efficiency. Issues are detected before they affect production.
Self-diagnostics allow uninterrupted operation.
This coordination defines modern German automation.
At this stage, the factory reaches stable operation.
Automation allows continuous production without human intervention.
This factory is designed to operate continuously, day and night. Production schedules adjust automatically based on demand. Final inspections conferred accuracy before shipment.
Every product is digitally documented for traceability.
Products are prepared for distribution without manual handling. At this point, the factory operates in a stable and balanced state.
Waste materials are automatically collected and recycled.
Only verified products are cleared for global delivery.
This level of automation reflects modern German manufacturing.
Machines handle every task with consistency and precision. When production is complete, logistics systems take control. Robotic loaders ensure safe and consistent shipment preparation. Shipping routes are digitally optimized for efficiency. At this stage, the factory functions as a unified system. The process is recorded and refined over time.
Consistency is the foundation of robot-only manufacturing.
Efficiency is maintained through intelligent energy management. This level of order defines modern German automation.
Once stabilized, the factory can operate continuously.
This is how automation is shaping the future of manufacturing in Europe.